In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend a layer by adjusting opacity if you've ever wanted a graphic, photo, or texture to sit more naturally on top of another image. Blending with opacity is one of the simplest and most reliable ways to do it. We'll keep this straightforward and focused so you can get clean results fast. First, make sure you've selected the layer you want to blend. In the Layers panel, click the layer that needs to soften into the background. Maybe it's a logo, a watermark, a texture, or a duplicate photo you're combining for a subtle effect. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted in the list. This matters because any change you make next will only apply to that active layer. If you don't see the result you expect, it usually means the wrong layer is selected, so double check before moving on. With the correct layer selected, head to the opacity control in the layers panel. It typically starts at 100%, which means the layer is fully opaque and completely blocks what's beneath it. Click on the opacity value or its slider and gently drag to the left to lower it. As you reduce the number, you're making the layer more transparent, letting the background show through and visually merging the two. Watch the image as you adjust. This is your live preview of the blend. How low should you go? That depends on your goal and the content. For a watermark that's present but not distracting, a lower value often looks professional and subtle. For textures or light overlays, a mid-range value can preserve detail while softening edges. The key is to aim for a natural transition where nothing feels too harsh or pasted on. If the edges look abrupt or the subject loses clarity, nudge the opacity back up a little. Opacity changes are non-destructive, which means you can always come back and fine-tune them later. Small adjustments make a big difference, so move slowly and trust your eye. It can help to step back from the screen or zoom out briefly to judge how the blend feels overall. Remember, you're balancing visibility and harmony, enough presence to be seen, but not so much that it overpowers the background. That's all there is to it. Select